Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Excuse me, let me introduce myself. Now I'm learning speak Cantonese. My name is Riani Si. I'm 24 years old. I come from Wonosobo, Central Java of Indonesia. I'm single, I'm Muslim, and my last education is senior high school. My weight is 48 kg and my height is 153 cm. My work experience in Semarang for years, 2021 until 2024. My job is take care to baby, 3 months baby and 18 months baby, cooking, housekeeping, and marketing. And in Singapore, 6 months, 2025 until 2026, my job is take care to baby, 3 months baby, and 2.5 years old baby, housekeeping, cooking, and marketing. I can cook simple Chinese food like steamed fish, steamed egg, fried noodle, and soup. I can handle pork, but I'm not eat pork. I'm not afraid of dog or other pets. I want to go to Hong Kong because I want to earn more money for my family and my future. I'm finished my introduction. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Hong Kong. Bye-bye.